Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or solve your Twitter app. To not fix your errors on your app of Twitter, you should just read settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Twitter. Then this page we click on force stop and we click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again, and after all these steps then you can turn off your phone, and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on Twitter app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.